Okay children, now we will see the definition of prefix. What is prefix? We are going to see that. So let us see the definition first. When we add a specific set of letters before some words to make a new word, we call those letter prefix. So children, prefix are the letters which are added before a word, as it is given in the definition. Specific set of words before some words means any words which are added before a word to make a new word. So that words are known as prefix. See the example to understand it. See here children, happy is a word. Okay, if we add un to it before happy, if we add u and un, so it becomes unhappy. Okay, so here un is the prefix. Understood? See the next example. Obey is the word. If we add dis in front of obey, it becomes disobey. So it becomes a new word. Yes children. So this is the prefix as we are adding it before a word. Same way, misunderstand. Here you can see understand is a word. Before understand we have added miss. So miss is a prefix. Okay. So misunderstand. See the next example children. Insecure is a word. Okay. So how does we make this insecure? By adding in front of secure. Yes. So when we add any word before a word, it is known as prefix. Okay children. Understood? So let us see the exercise number 3. With filling the blanks by adding the correct prefix to the words in bracket. One has been done for you. Now here you have to fill in the blanks by adding prefix to the word which is given in the bracket. See the first one which is done. The teacher deducted his marks because his answers was incorrect. Now here in the bracket correct is given. Yes, we have to add prefix to it. So we have added in and then correct. So this is a new word we have created. So we have added a prefix to a word to make a new word. Okay. Now see the next example, next sentence, sorry. If you do not try hard, you will be dash successful. In the bracket, successful is given children. So answer will be unsuccessful. Yes, we have to add prefix. So we will add unsuccessful. Okay. So now we have changed this. We have added prefix to a word and we have made a new word by using the word which is there in the bracket. So the sentence will be, if you do not try hard, you will be unsuccessful. Okay children, understood? Now let us move ahead. Third one, I dash people who are rude. In the bracket like is given. Okay, so we can make a new word by adding prefix to it. So we will add dis and like. We will write the word which is there in the bracket and we will add dis. Prefix we will add, that is dis. So it becomes dislike. I dislike people who are rude. Okay. See the next sentence. Look at the pictures, they are so dash. In the bracket it is given usual. Okay. Look at the picture, they are so dash. In the bracket it is given usual. So we have to add prefix to it. So we will make this usual. We will make a new word out of it and it becomes unusual. See. Simply by adding un, we have changed this usual into a new word and it becomes unusual. Look at the pictures, they are so unusual. Okay. See the next sentence children. How could you be so dash? In the bracket it is given sensible. So what prefix we will add? Yes, insensible. Okay, we are going to add in and then we will write the word which is there in the bracket. So it becomes insensible. Next sentence. If it is not good to talk to dash people. Now here in the bracket known is given. So we can write unknown. We have to add prefix, so we will write unknown. Okay, children? Understood? See, like this you have to do this exercise. Now we will turn the page. Now we are going to see what are suffix. Okay, let us see the definition of it first of all. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word in order to create another word. Means children, whenever any word is given and at the end of the word if we add some groups of letters, it is known as suffix. That groups of letters are known as suffix. Some common suffix are full, some, ed, able, dom, ism, etc. So these are some words which we add at the end of the word to make a new word, and these words are known as suffix. See the examples to understand it. Now here it is given beauty. Yes, beauty is a word, and if we add full to it, it becomes beautiful. So we have added full. So at the end we have added full. Yes, after the word we have added full, so it becomes a new word, and this kind of words are known as suffix. Okay. Now word is whole. If we add some to it, if we add some to it, becomes wholesome. So what we have done, we have added a word at the end of a word to make a new word, and these words are known as suffix. Okay. Next example, you see children, learn is there. If we add ed to it, it becomes learn. So again we have added suffix to a word. Love is there. If we add able to it, it becomes lovable. So now again it's a suffix. Able is a suffix because we are adding a word after a word. Okay. Now next word you see, next example children, manner is given. If we add ism, it becomes mannerism. Yes. So now again we have added ism at the end of the word, so it becomes a suffix. This is the suffix and the word becomes mannerism. Okay. See the last example children, king is there. If we add dom to it, becomes kingdom. Okay. So kingdom, dom is a suffix, kingdom. Okay, understood? I hope so. So let us start with the exercise of this explanation of suffix. Add the letters ABL, that is able, to the following words to form new words. Write a sentence with each of the new words in your notebook. Okay. So now children, what we have to do is we have to add able to the word to make a new word, and able we have to add at the end of the word, that is suffix. Okay. And then you have to write, you have to make new words, new sentence out of it, and that you have to write in the notebook. So here I'll be giving you the new words and you have to write the sentences by yourself in your grammar notebook. So let us see the words. Comfort is there, so it becomes comfortable. Reason is there, so it becomes reasonable. Tax is there, so it becomes taxable. Agree is there, so it becomes agreeable. Present is there, so it becomes presentable. Accept is there, so it becomes acceptable. Okay. So children, we have added suffix able to it and we have created new words. Now with the help of these words, that is comfortable, reasonable, taxable, agreeable, presentable and acceptable, use these 6 words and make sentences of your own in the notebook. Okay. Now exercise number 5 is given. Look at the picture given below. Use words with the suffix full to describe it. Now this is an activity, you can do it by yourself. Try to do it by yourself. Okay.